Hey everyone, it's Miss Mac here with just a really quick video, a Desmos tutorial actually, on how to use Desmos to solve equations and inequalities. So our learning objectives for this video are that we can use Desmos to find the solution of an equation in one variable, and we can use Desmos to find the solution set of an inequality in one variable. So here is the equation that we have to solve, and we are going to use Desmos in order to be able to do that. All right, so in order to be able to solve an equation using Desmos, we obviously need to be in the graphing calculator part of Desmos. And I'll just enter in the equation that we have here. We had 8 times 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 3 plus 4x plus 116. All right, and we see that when we did that, Desmos graphed a line for us right here. Sometimes when we put an equation into Desmos, we don't see it right away, and that is often resolved by just zooming out. And so what I'll do is I'll click on the point where this line crosses the x-axis, and that will be our solution to this equation. So the solution to this equation is x is equal to 8.75. And you'll notice that if I put that back into Desmos, it makes the exact same line. So I know that that's my solution. All right, so next we're going to look at an example where we need to solve an inequality using Desmos. And in order to solve this inequality, or when we solve this inequality, we will notice that our solution set will have more than one answer because an inequality is not an equation, and so an inequality has more than one answer. All right, so let's look at this inequality in Desmos. We have negative 2, 3x times 3x plus 15 is greater than 4x plus 30. All right, and now we notice that Desmos has graphed this inequality for us. We see all of that green shading, and that is Desmos telling us that our solution is consists of more than one number. We have more than one number that's part of our solution. And when we're looking at an inequality in Desmos, we need to do a little bit more to interpret what this solution means. So again, I'm going to click on this point where the line crosses the x-axis, and it is at negative 6. Okay, so I know that negative 6 is going to be a part of how I write my solution set to this inequality. The next thing I need to ask myself is, do I have a dotted or a shaded line? And I have a dotted line, or a solid line rather. I have a dotted line because in my inequality, I didn't have a line underneath which was telling me equal to. So somewhere in this will be an equality symbol that does not have an equal to sign. And then I need to look at where the direction of where this is being shaded. So this is being shaded from negative 6 and everything to the left. So everything to the left of negative 6 is being shaded. And I know that when I shade to the left, that means less than, because everything to the left of negative 6 is less than negative 6. So let's just test out my solution. We have x is less than negative 6. And I know that I got my solution correct, or I wrote my solution set correctly because I see that it made the exact same inequality as before. Okay, I hope that was helpful. And if you still have questions, I suggest that you go back, look at the equations and the inequality and put them into Desmos for yourself. Or maybe take a practice problem from one of our recent lessons and try putting it into Desmos to double check your solution. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.